हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम आप सभी को मिसेज पैकेलटाइड्स टाइगर का क्वेश्चंस के आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। इस लेसन का पहला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन ए है, व्हाई डिड मिसेज पैकेलटाइड विश टू शूट ए टाइगर। इसका आंसर होगा, सी वांटेड टू आउटडू लूना बिम्बर्टन हु हैड shot a tiger, had been carried 11 miles in an aeroplane by an Algerian aviator and had been in the news. Second question है, what visions did Mrs. Packletide have in her mind of upstaging Luna Bimberton and stealing the attention from her? इसका आंसर होगा, nothing less than a personally procured tiger skin, a large array of news in the newspapers around the world would do for Mrs. Packletide. She had already arranged in her mind the lunch that she would give at her house in Curzon Street for all outward appearance in Luna Bimberton's honor, with a tiger skin rug occupying most of the foreground and all of the conversation. She had also already designed in her mind the tiger claw brooch that she was going to give Luna Bimberton on her next birthday. अगला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, What was Mrs. Packletide's feeling for Luna Bimberton? इसका आंसर होगा, Mrs. Packletide did not like Luna Bimberton. So great was her dislike that she did everything in order to be one up on her. अगला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, Why had Mrs. Packletide offered 1,000 rupees to the villagers? इसका आंसर होगा, Mrs. Packletide had offered 1,000 rupees to the villagers for the opportunity of shooting a tiger without over much risk or exertions. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए टाइगर वाज फाउंड टू बी सुटेबल फॉर दिस हंटिंग एक्सपीडिशन? इसका आंसर होगा, दे चूज अ टाइगर ऑफ रेस्पेक्टेबल antecedents, one who was old and owing to age related infirmities could only come to the village to feast on smaller domestic animals. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ, what efforts did the villagers make to prevent the tiger from wandering far away from that area? इसका आंसर होगा, the villagers posted children night and day on the outskirts of the local jungle to head the tiger back in case he decided to roam away to fresh hunting grounds. Cheaper kinds of goats were left around with elaborate carelessness to keep him satisfied with his present situations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगला है क्वेश्चन नंबर जी। व्हाट वाज लुइसा मेम्बिन्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स मनी? इसका आंसर होगा लुइसा मेम्बिन dreaded performing an atom of service more than she had been paid for and was ruthless in her possessiveness towards money in general. In short, she was thrifty and was obsessed with money. She did not hesitate to blackmail someone in order to obtain a material possession. अगला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डिड द टाइगर डू अपॉन कैचिंग साइट ऑफ द गोट? इसका आंसर होगा द टाइगर ले फ्लैट ऑन द अर्थ seemingly less from a desire to take advantage of all available cover than for the purpose of snatching a short rest before moving on to the grand attack. अगला क्वेश्चन है हाउ डिड द villagers celebrate the apparent success of the hunting expedition? इसका आंसर होगा the villagers swarmed onto the scene. They shouted in great excitement, and the happy news spread to the village, where a thumping of tom-toms took up the chorus of triumph. अगला क्वेश्चन है What was discovered after the death of the tiger? Who discovered it? इसका आंसर होगा लूसा मेबिन drew attention to the fact that the bullet had hit the goat. Evidently, the tiger had died due to heart failure, which was caused by the loud noise of the firing of the rifle, accelerated by sensile decay. Thank you.